Hey guys, let's talk about the EuFy S340 night vision setup. So here you see the camera is already working back there and it's using the infrared light, right? So basically the infrared light can see in the dark. So if I just click here, you see that I have a light coming from the camera that's reflecting here on this protection, okay? It's in my balcony protection. So infrared light bounces there and I can't clearly see things that behind this protection. You see, I can clearly see everything here. This is the night vision. You see everything in black and white. You just have the LED lights on there working, okay? But that's the problem with the infrared light, right? It reflects in something, then you cannot see it, right? If I change here the setup, the configuration, when I come here, for example, I can come to the video settings, and from here, I can change the type of light. You see, I have night vision right now, black and white night vision. So when I click here, I can choose between black and white, color night vision, so it's not using infrared light, and I can turn off the night vision if I want to. Let's just turn off for a while. So I have this option. I just come here and turn off. Let's just come back there. There we go. And now you see that I can watch everything that's behind this protection, right? Because the IR is not reflecting there on the screen. It's a screen protector that I have here on my balcony. And you see with the night vision, I cannot see it. And also the color, right? So there are some differences when you're using black and white with infrared and color. You see that I can still see at night, even though if it's like a little bit dark, I can still see it, right? The same here. Now let's change to see some lights. Just put it back here on the settings, in video settings, night vision turn off, and now color night vision, which means it's going to turn on the light on the camera. Let me just come back here. There we go. Now it has color. You can see here by the objects, there are some colors there, and it's reflecting back there on the screen, right? The screen protector here, and I cannot see it. So it depends on how you are going to use your camera. Light can be a problem. You see it in this case, it's a problem here. And you see the information about the spotlight is going to use a lot of the battery. So be aware that it's not always possible to use the light and have the camera working fine as expected, right? Sometimes you don't need the light. In this case, for example, let me just come back one more time. Here, the spotlight settings, I can change the brightness. Let me just reduce the brightness a little bit. Let's say around 20, 21%, and come back there and take a look, right? Here again. Still, it's reflecting here. So not good, right? So in this case, for this application, if I want to see outdoors at night, I cannot use the light, right? So let me just here turn off the light. You see the difference now? Lights off and lights on. Not good, okay? So guys, you need to choose here which is better for you. In my case, coming back to the video settings, I'm gonna use this one with we're going to turn off here and work that way, because for me it's interesting to see what is there outdoors and also what's inside. And then what I have to do here, if I want to see in the balcony things like that's going on here on the balcony, I need to have some lights here, right? Right now, some light is coming here. You see here, there's a room here, and that some light is coming from this room. That's why I can't clearly see here, right? So in this case, I need to put some lights here so I can see in the dark, and also I can see outdoors, right? So basically that's the way the EuFy S340 works with the night vision. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.